Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company, and in today's video we are talking about the Claybar Starter Kit. This kit's going to contain everything you need to be able to clay your vehicle's surface and leave behind a smooth and ever so slick finish. Now for this kit we've included a chemical from P&S, and this is called Paint Gloss. It's a fantastic quick detailer that provides a ton of lubrication and leaves behind a very glossy surface. We've also included 2 of the Rag Company's Ultra Clay Bar. These are 200-gram bars, meaning that they're really thick and really chunky, but you can pull apart bits as needed. So if you want to, you can cut this bar in half and use 100 grams at a time. Simply mold it into a disc shape or however you would like, and then use this along with the clay lubricant to be able to start claying your vehicle's surface. Now, the reason why we've included 2 bars in this kit is because most people starting out will drop a bar on the ground, and that's not ideal, so you'll have plenty of clay to go through. Now, after you're done claying your vehicle, you are going to have some leftover clay lubricant on the surface, and we need to mop that up. So for that, we've included some 16 by 27 all-purpose microfiber towels that you can use to mop the rest of that up and then buff to a nice streak-free, glossy, and slick finish. So this is going to be a fantastic starter kit for anybody that's new to claying or somebody who just likes to go through a lot of clay product. So as always, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.